Welcome to the Using Alerts in ScienceDirect tutorial. Alerts are available when you use your personal username and password. Journal and book series alerts notify you when an article or new issue or volume is published in the specified journal, book series, or handbook. Search alerts notify you of new articles on ScienceDirect which match your search request. To review or modify your stored alerts, select your name and then select Manage Alerts. Journal and book series alerts are listed here. Search alerts are available on the Search tab. Let's create some alerts. First, we'll create a journal and book series alert. You create journal and book series alerts from the ScienceDirect publication homepage. Select the alert type and then select Save. To change the email address associated with your alerts, select View Account and make the change on your account details page. Let's take a look at managing journal and book series alerts. The new journal alert displays here. The details of the alert are available for reference or edit. Select the publication title or view link to go to the journal or book series homepage. Download a list of your journal and book series alerts in CSV format. Select Edit to change the frequency or content type for the alert. Then make your changes and save. To discontinue the alert, select Delete. Next, let's look at search alerts. To manage search alerts, select the appropriate tab. Your search alerts display here. You can create a search alert from your search results page. If you would like the search to run periodically and notify you of any new results, select Set Search Alert. Enter the properties of your search alert and select Save. Your new search alert displays alphabetically in your list of search alerts. All search alert emails are sent to the email address in your account profile. Now, let's look at the features available to help you manage your search alerts. Select the link to view the most recent search results. Download a list of your search alerts in CSV format. Edit your search alert. Now, edit your search alert properties and select Save. To discontinue a search alert, select Delete. This concludes the Using Alerts tutorial.